folks, it's Stephen Little, your resident swimming pool safety expert, and today we're talking about certain factors that make it more likely for you to drown. Okay, so this one is really easy, low-hanging fruit here, guys. I've made videos on this, we've talked about this, we've had millions of views. Missing or ineffective fences, what does that mean? If there's not a barrier around the pool, like the pool behind me, or if the daggone gate opens outward, or if the spring's missing or the latch is missing. So all you haters, all the people who come out there and say it doesn't matter, go to hell, because gosh dang it, this is important. We're going to change the tide on learning to swim. So if you've got missing or ineffective fences, contact my team, drop your information in the comment box below, and we're going to connect you with a pool expert in your area to ensure that you don't have missing or ineffective fences.